Kevin in about 33 downtown. YidFit, Monsey was an eyes. The last time I was here, you guys were still finishing to build this place. They were still under construction.
Correct.
Ich verstehe that you're rocking already for a few months.
That's right.
So often, I'll show you fish in the house. You're ready to roll.
Let's go, okay.
It's crazy. Look at this. I think this is the nicest, probably gym, not Jewish gym. But gyms aren't nice. They're just practical. Dios gebot a nice luxury gym.
That's right.
Jeden darf shine.
In practical auch.
Okay, ich habe merch. Jews love merch. Ich habe auch lieber los merch. Das macht man du alle gesinnte Sachen, Vitamins mit Medicine, mit der get the powders, mit energies.
Jump, Creatine, Pre-Workouts, alles.
Alle gute Sachen. Ich habe das. Jetzt kann ich so machen später. Und du boxing gloves? All right. Trinken, and that's for the entry. Now let's dive into the place. Let's go. The only Meduya, so we're not going to show faces. We're going to try to, avoid people. Do all men this thing, I'm rocking over here.
6.
We have the trainer in the house. Look at this guy's muscles. Oh my, wie kommt das von Summer Queens? Wie ist das? Where'd you pick it up? Squid.
Ja.
Gib mal Kick. Ja, you could be a chassidischer Mann mit festen Muskeln, die arbeitslos, you're rocking, mit schmaat Money, lass uns sagen. What's that gold? That's the color, that's the theme.
Yeah, this is from the gym.
The theme of the gym is gold. Wow, let me see some punches over here. Let's go, knock it out, knock it out. Knock it out, give me some punches over here. Look at these punching bags. Solid. Kevin, if you see him in the street, I would advise you not to mess with him. Dive out.
Enough.
Awesome. So Menachem talked to me, du schon du für hip Wochen as a trainer. How does it work? These days, as heimisch in Galat kommen around du, week, verschlafen, and you build them up. What's the program?
Warte.
In dem Fall, you transform them.
Ja.
Sag mir das so, die bist einer, was, Hashem, you worked out. Du hast ein Sixpack mit Biceps, Triceps und alle gute Sachen. Ein Mann, was ist, kommt daran, dass starker Bachel. You give him a optimism, also er geht das machen.
100%, jeder kann das machen. Wie lange muss consistent, kann man das machen.
Nice. All right, so even I have hope.
Ja.
All right, Moshe, let's go further over here.
So,
is er noch ein Trainer, du?
Einer von unseren Trainers, Dragan.
Nice.
Dragan,
how do you enjoy working over here, being a trainer?
This is the best gym, not only in Monsey, but in the wider area.
Really?
Great facility.
Put him to work. Don't let him get away with cheap.
This is our superstar, Chaim.
This is too little. What are you giving him? I can pick this up with my finger. Give him a heavy one.
Let's go. Next one.
Oh, okay.
We have to warm up first.
Oh, got to warm up.
Who's this guy?
4.
Knock it out, guys. Look at this.
5.
Beautiful.
Keep your body straight.
Don't let them get away easy. Put them to work.
There you go. Let's go. 3 more. 2. Squeeze the biceps. And now on the way down, real slow.
Moshe, make you guys work hard.
Ja.
We come around up in Schweden.
You're next.
Tell me a little about Moshe. Moshe runs the gym.
What do you want to know about Moshe?
I want you guys to have an arm wrestle. I want to see who's going to win. Let's go. Go for an arm wrestle.
We're only going to do an arm wrestle in live. We need to have like 50 people here.
Oh, you need
when we have 50 people, we're going to do it.
On this video, you have a few 100,000. It's going to go viral, this video. You're going to get a lot of views.
What we're going to say about the place?
Gotta make a bench press competition?
No
I think we should do
competition.
some crazy challenge here.
Wow.
Like one day,
You
like...
owe me some push-ups.
So I owe you push-ups from them, from the expo.
Yeah.
Please don't make me do push-ups. Not for me. I'll make you guys,
You need to be a part of it. That's the fun part.
I think one day we'll do a nice challenge over here. Maybe a push-up challenge or a bench press challenge. One day we'll make a nice challenge here.
One day we organize.
All right, let's go further over here. Thank you.
So, in some Ziba kommen noch a treadmill, noch a bike, von vorhin musst du gewinnen. This ski rower.
Ski rower.
This is unique. Some mensen haben sleep.
Beautiful.
This is a typical cardio. So, some mensen haben die kind of like
Cool,
different. Die
very
haben noch
cool.
etwas anderes Misach.
And this all, each machine is thousands of dollars.
This cost, ob eine kauft das regular, zwischen 10 und 15, noch nicht so viel.
15K machine.
Ja, berig. Das auch sehr teuer Stairmaster, sehr geht one auch. Das ist, kannst es nutzen.
Solid. So, jedes Mal am Mund. It's time to phone it to the antragen. The Goyische gyms. You just get in with the mistake and you said, the Heimische
Das
gyms.
ist die größte Jiddisch.
I guess the Goyische gyms, you put them in the shame.
In the area is sehr schön. So, du hast ein Ziegel like the wallpaper, auf ein Ziegel like.
I love the slogans over here. Train,
Yeah, okay.
empower your body, push yourself because no one else is doing it. Sorry, get the slogan. So basically the classroom, basically.
Deze klas, und du machst die classes.
Du machst die classes,
So,
du-
es ist 5, 4,
This
das
is-
ist 4 gewinnen Class 2, es geht bald an 6, und dann geht es an noch eine Class. Es geht doch an eine Frauenclass, bald 8. So, bei der Frauenclass
So
machen
wenn
wir
der Gym für Männer, wenn es für Frauen.
Der Gym ist offen ganz Tag von 6 Uhr tags bis 12 Uhr nachts ist für Männer. Im Mitten ist es gemacht, für Männer between 9:45 bis 2:15. Und damals ist du a break zwischen Männern und Frauen, so von 10:15 bis 1:45 ist für Frauen. Sonst kann sein, ist die ganze Platz, was auch du bei Nacht Frauenclasses do. So dann musst du dating
separate entries, they come in over here and you're good to go.
Ja, that's right.
Das lassen wir sehen, wie der größte Schwitz ist. Jeder redet von der Schwitz. Everybody loves the Schwitz. Wie ist der
Was mit
Schwitz?
jener Equipment?
Oh, okay. I'm ready running to the Schwitz.
This is nice. Das haben wir auch gebracht, noch ein Bench für du. Die Maschine haben wir gebracht, jene Maschine haben wir gebracht, die drei.
Nice.
So,
These are
yeah,
all
we got-
brand new machines, state of the art. I
got-
love it how you got everything with your logo on it. This is done.
Danish,
This
nur
is
das
done logo?
Selectorized.
Oh, those, right.
So hast du mit der Maschine, sei eigen von Menschen, was am Schane das den Exercise, kommst auf any machine, das gut nicht wissen zu tun, kannst du seine Instructions, weil der bald was gar nicht changen zu yiddish mit
Oh, wow.
einer andere, ja, so jeder soll können verstehen. So let's kommst daran, es ist aufgestellt, das gut nicht stehen kann, crazy Sachen, kannst gut da reinkommen und wissen, was
Start
zu
right
tun.
away.
Lass doch was in der eine Machine. So du habe gemacht eine Demo, und alles geht auskicken so. So heißt Yiddish und English,